She's got a mean lion leotard.
It looks like a leopard to me.
Not funny.
Yeah, it was
He's
mad
fucking
funny.
too.
Go fuck yourself.
Is that guy dead?
Got it in a paper bag.
See them other dudes, hey. I got the last coffee cake.
Bring yummy cheese.
This kid sucks.
Oh man,
This kid sucks so bad. What do Canna Butter, Big G's, and Russian dash cams have in common?
actually a lot more than you'd think. We're talking about him today on Mac and Cheese Wednesday.
Bum 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 mac and
bum,
cheese.
Bum 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 bum. Wednesday.
Speaking of G's, he's here.
What up? It's Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning. Take a shit and watch this episode.
Actually, that's kind of our like what we're aiming for is the people take a shit.
I always watch when I'm on the shitter.
Oh, that's awesome.
To be honest.
So this week we're gonna get we usually wait so long for the mac and cheese, but we're gonna get it started real quick this week for one specific reason, because G's brought some magical butter. Shout out to Splatty.
Shout out to the homie Splatty.
Splatty coming through hooking it up.
Thanks, Splatty.
So we're about to
Splatty, I'm Fatty. Nice to meet you.
we got the spirals, we got the classic spirals.
Yeah, spirals and a white one, white cheddar.
Oh yeah, white
Organic white
Organic.
cheddar.
shells and white cheddar.
I don't know what the difference is. I saw somebody comment on that, like, what's the difference between vegan and vegetarian, and I meant to Google it, and I didn't.
Vegan means no animal product or byproduct or anything that has to do with animals whatsoever. So no milk. Vegetarians can eat milk. There's no animals.
They can
Hard
eat
They can
milk.
eat it?
They
That's
can eat
it.
milk.
drink milk.
That's impressive.
Well, that's
They
cheese.
do it different.
Cheese, you can eat milk, and I will rumble
right,
off the
cheese.
amounts of kind of milk that we can eat, gentlemen. I don't know if we want to do this.
I left the Dutchess in the car, so you guys can keep talking. I'm gonna grab those. Where is
He's
it?
just gonna cut the tape
What are you
anyway
getting?
until when he comes back.
Action that I got. Oh no. Okay, that.
Sorry, is that unnecessary?
Whoa.
I want to know how many times he's done that.
No, you don't. You Snapchat?
I do.
How's that work out for you?
I like it.
Yeah. Send a lot of like nut shots and shit. Is that the new thing? Just like Snapchat your dick to people, to like random
Oh, I
strangers.
do it constantly.
I can see how that would be fun.
Russia is such a fucked up country, but it sort of kind of looks like it could be us.
Doesn't like every car have to have a dash cam?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, word?
Yeah, and because there's so many accidents in Russia.
That's probably why these fucking guys can't see over the dash cams.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying. It's
That's
such a
fucking
fucked up
holy
country,
shit,
yo.
man.
What the fuck? How does that even happen if you're not playing Grand Theft Auto? Oh my
This guy
god!
was just sitting at the thing reading his paper.
That guy was just minding his own business. And well, I guess really other people's business. He reads the paper.
Is that a cop?
Sorry, I was drunk. He's license and registration.
They were aiming at each other for way too long for that. Like,
where the other person come from?
When he would say, eat a pussy,
oh no.
eat a pussy.
He's wasted.
I know that guy.
Oh shit.
You sure this is a Russian dash cam and not one socket dash cam?
What the
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
He's trying to merge. I'm merging, guys. I'm merging.
Nah, this guy is just not giving a fuck. That's what he's doing.
He's trying to die, yo.
Oh my god.
He's
He's
trying
like,
to
God,
die.
you got that wrong.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You hit me. You hit me.
Cows, bro? What the fuck? Oh, man.
That's fucked up.
Oh,
my god. Actually, they probably got away. Get out. Out. Go.
They're all kind of in good shape. I like to think that they started a revolution on the ride and they fucking
We're like, take him out.
one of them snuck up and fucking shanked the driver.
This is the greatest escape to get. Listen.
They're like,
yeah,
we won.
Look, they'll get up. They're good.
They all get up and they're like, let's go.
They tracked all those cows
That's how they
down
make
and
hamburger
Killed
meat.
all of
Dude,
them.
Jesus geeking. Jesus geeking. Yo.
I can like hear him say it, you know what I mean?
She's kind of gay, man.
Look, his name is Cock Daddy Supreme Cream Dream.
And he thinks it's gay.
Wow, Cock Daddy Supreme Cream Dream said you fucking sound gay, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, let's get that butter.
It's gonna go. That shit in there.
Oh, we're putting all the shit in there?
All of it.
Wow.
All of it.
Fuck, that was a big chunk.
There's some more. Don't worry, I washed my hands earlier.
At what point, dude?
Today.
Earlier
At
in the
some
week.
point, I'm
way
certain that I
earlier.
washed my hands.
See, there was a chunk floating around before.
Just keep mixing.
Oh, I see it. It's way smaller now. It's like the size of
Just
a
keep
Skittle.
mixing it. Just keep mixing.
That's
Keep
Skittle.
mixing it. You gotta
Hey, relax.
concentrate on the
Relax,
chunk.
buddy.
Mix that pot into the heat and get it nice and mixed.
I'm mixing it.
Sucks. You like Post Malone?
I don't know who it is.
He sings that White Iverson song. Ugh, a fucking shame. He's the worst. So clearly somebody likes the song,
Oh my god, it smells so dank.
right? Haha.
Yo, it smells scary dank.
Oh my god, it does smell like wicked fucking butter.
I'm
Oh my
afraid, bro.
God.
I am literally afraid. Alright, Jesus about it.
Yep. Haha, hell yeah. What's your fucking scale? I'm gonna give it a 9.
I'm gonna. Would you?
What? Wiz Khalifa asked me to do a song for feature? I mean, I'm not a moron. You know what I mean? Holla at me, Wiz. Fucking fag. He probably
Fucking
won't
homo.
watch. Does he watch this? Nah.
Yeah.
Is he?
He's a big fan.
Yeah.
Fuck. Well, there goes that one.
Yo, and he killed it because I still got mad, yo.
Murph's all done over there too.
Boom.
Simon's afraid of it.
Murph, you're driving G's back. I'm throwing this out there. Half mound they sit on, and it's got like a dick thing that goes. Oh, Taylor Swift's videos are getting crazy.
Oh, she's going for it. She's like, fuck it.
What's that girl that looks like Taylor Swift's name? What's the Taylor Swift girl's name? Yeah, this is a blasphemous.
You better clean it after she gets off.
Yo, I'm about to click on that.
I don't really want to watch that.
She was so into it, dude.
With a bunch of dudes around?
I give the Mac like a high 8.
I'm going with 9.
I'll go with. I'm gonna tell you in an hour and a half what I rate the mac and cheese.
People always like, oh, a bitch with pretty feet. I'm like, no bitch has pretty feet.
There's not a single bitch in the world that's got pretty.
Yeah,
This stuff is cooking. This stuff's kicking in
There's not a
quick.
single bitch in the world that's got Fetty Waps.
Dope.
Like it?
I
Like
do, yo, I do. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's like way different. You know what I mean? Play it again.
Awesome.
Yo, that's dope, man. Good shit, fellas.
I'm glad you like it, bro.
Hey, you guys will see it tomorrow.
So this show is sponsored by Big G's. What it look like?
What it look like? What did it look like?
Shout out to Missing Element.
Hey, Missing Element.
Vinyl Villain.
Final Villain. I keep talking over your promo. Go ahead.
Shout out to Missing Element, Vinyl Villain. Shout out to the band, my band, yo. I gotta give my guys some love.
Hell yeah.
Nate, Corey, Ben, my dudes. Love y'all motherfuckers.
Chihuahua. Watch the show.
And Mike, right?
Who's Mike?
Oh, yo, let's do the what were we talking? Oh, doing a couple of picture captions.
She's surprising good captions. We gotta go deep. Wishing well of a puddle inside a prison cell. You know, I could be wrong, but I think you guys have been passing that back and forth for a little bit. I lit it and haven't seen it since. It's pretty small.
Actually, yo, we're gonna have to
Pretty
watch
small.
that. We're gonna have to watch that in review.
I mean, I'm not saying it definitely happened, but I mean, I'm at least putting up a case for when we watch it. Hold on to this for a little bit.
It's like a giant duck donut. If he woke up, he would be like, "What the fuck?" Birds are the rats in the sky.
Well, I mean,
But they're ducks.
yeah, they
Birds are
they
ducks. Ducks
bathe
are birds.
in Bath. They're like a duck's always splashing.
What do you mean, no? Ducks aren't birds.
Ducks
Are you
are-
about to tell me that ducks aren't birds, bro?
Mom spaghetti. Oh man, Kermit couldn't mind his own business.
Dude, try to nut in that bitch's mouth.
Oh,
Okay. Technically, very accurate.
I'm gonna nut in her mouth and bolt.
Once again, very accurate.
When a girl sends you a picture of a pussy, you think you're the only one?
And you think you're the only one. Are you sitting all the way? It's a Christmas classic. I wouldn't want to watch it, but this union would make the person with the best voice ever.
oh.
I love Matthew McConaughey. Not that much. Trying to get to the root of the problem. That's what you gotta do.
So this is the segment of the show where we all jump on our phones?
Yeah.
Alright, word up.
Do you believe in chemtrails?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Fucking see them. They're fucking us all up. We're all fucked.
But like the people who are spewing the chemtrails live on the same ground.
So what, you think that,
Why?
you think one of them would have blown the whistle by now is what you're saying?
No, I think one of them would have at the meeting gone, I'm for poisoning 75% of everybody, but I live in Ohio, so can we pick somewhere else?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't have a rebuttal for that.
Listen to
Some
it.
sick people in this world, man, you know, that'll just chemtrail themselves.
Oh, so you believe it despite the chemtrailing yourself question?
They're just like, fuck it.
No, I'm a fan of the idea that people do believe in it.
I don't believe in that. What they were saying is reptilians. I believe in what the concept behind it is, like alien hybrid fucking beings and shit.
That's what's up.
What the fuck? She's got a mean lion leotard.
It looks like a leopard to me.
Not funny.
Yeah, it was
He's
mad
fucking
funny.
too.
Come fuck yourself.
Is that guy dead? Wow.
He probably fucks her up.
Wow.
That chick's a trooper.
And look, she takes it too because they got kids.
Good for her.
She's probably as big as that.
It's probably like at least like bang.
Are you sure that this isn't a fucking...
That's two dudes.
It's not dead bodies?
That's
Oh, dude. Ultimate redneck wedding,
That's
dude.
pretty
She's
classic,
smoking.
That Rottweiler looks like it's photoshopped in though.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, now when you say it, so do they.
Yeah, everything looks kind of
Yeah.
The beard looks photoshopped in.
The pregnant belly looks photoshopped. Everything is
everything is photoshopped.
Somebody just massacred that wedding photo, yo. That's the fuck happened. Someone was just like, fuck these two assholes. Watch me.
Everything is photoshopped.
The whole thing is Photoshop. Nothing is real. The funny part was that wasn't even funny. I'm only laughing at you.
Dude, I can't believe everything was photoshopped. Okay. All right, let's hear a couple. Throw out some word suggestions.
All right. Spoon.
Yo, fuck that word. You can rhyme. Mad shit with box. Just like ox. And mad cocks. And mad clocks. And beatbox. Which is technically the same word, but watch.
Microphone.
Microphone is what I spit into. Or a spittoon is also something else that I could spit into.
Right,
Make
shit.
sure I don't forget the word.
Shovel.
Shovel. He said started off with shovel. And if you don't, there's gonna be some trouble. Don't mean to burst your bubble. Yo,
Moo.
yeah, moo, moo, moo are you?
Moo.
Moo, moo, moo are you? Moo,
Moo.
moo, moo.
Who are you? Don't
Yo.
like hamburgers, need some cheddar. Little bit of cheese makes it so much better. Little bit of mayo, then it gets way wetter. Oh my god, and I need it through the shredder.
I rap about how fresh I am, yo.
I feel like it's implied.
Yo, fresh and hot, like what's in a pizza box. You can get your fucking face rocked. Rockin' Sockin' Robots. One band I really didn't like was the Flowbots.
Gladiators.
Gladiators. Push you around. Russell Crowe.
Kurt Cobain.
Kurt Cobain, wow. I don't even care what you say, Simon. I don't even care what the fuck you say now. Simon Marshall coming through and he fucking brains out.
Calendar.
Calendar year 2016 coming through. That's actually a long time from now. That's a wicked. Yo, 2016. That'll be my year.
This is a tagged beat. You did not pay for this beat.
What's
Yo.
the word?
Pickle.
Pickle.
Yo.
Alright, yo. Let me hear it.
Yo. If I had a fucking nickel for every time someone said, "Let me get your pickle," I'd have a fucking nickel. Hey, yo, I can rap about anything. Yo.
Yeah, dude, you're a beast.
Go fuck yourself.
Straight up.
I love it.
You ever go through a drive-thru and they
Yes.
fuck up your shit? You're
Yes.
kind of nervous and don't want to say anything?
Yup.
Me too. I've been up in the drive-thru, dealing with my shit. What do I do? What do I do? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I ordered a Hershey's pie. Where'd it go?
Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. When's that shit going? Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up.
When that shit
Gon' turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. When's that shit gon' turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up,
turn up. When that shit gon' turn up. Simon.
Yeah.
So I just went to Dunkin' Donuts, left, and then I fucking go nuts. Cause guess what? They forgot my splendor. Oh shit, it is so horrendous.
She a cutie with a booty. She better send me up a nudie.
Yo. She a cootie with a booty. Plus, her favorite fucking movie is Rudy. Yo, which is really fucking groovy. I don't even care. Plus, she let me see her boobies. Yo, I'm like Bowser. I'll kidnap your bitch. You'll need a bouncer. I'll fucking bounce you. And if not, I might pounce you.
like a cat.
Like a cat. Yo, like a big cat though. I was mac and cheese Wednesday,
Mac and G's, bitches.
and
Me.
bang it out for you.
All right, ready?
I mean.
If you like the video so they know that you like the video and they can make more videos that you like.
Yes! First one who got it right. Thank you.
Mac and cheese.
Now this guy's done his research.
Make sure you go watch that video out tomorrow.
Yeah.
It'll be out tomorrow.
Drop
What
it
it-
tomorrow.
What it look like?
What it look like?
Stay tuned, fuckers.
Look like a music video.
A well-directed music video.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bum 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 bum. Wednesday. Fuck.
What the fuck is that?